They don't. I'm telling you, my rights don't stop here, sir. They don't.
Okay.
I'm telling you, they don't. I'm being peaceful. I'm not trying to get, I'm not bothering anybody.
Right, but like I said,
I'm not raising my voice. I'm not being loud. I'm not trying to escalate a situation. I'm asking that you just allow me to conduct my business.
I can't. It's not, your business stops there, okay?
Hey man,
We're gonna have to have, we're gonna have to have a police escort.
There's people, listen to the logic. Listen to the logic. Ready? There's people all throughout this building who are being observed after getting their vaccine. I've recorded everybody. Now all of a sudden, there's an issue.
Yes, sir.
Where was the issue with the people upstairs? Where's the issue with everybody on the observation? Where was the issue? You can't just turn this building into a secure vaccine area. That's not how it works.
It's not up to me. But that's
exactly. So get somebody that it's up to.
do you have credentials?
I do, but I'm not going to give them. I don't give out any personal identifying information unless I've committed a crime.
Okay.
And I'm not going to commit a
Can you
crime.
tell us what your name is?
Sure, my first name's Sean. I'll tell you my first name, Sean.
And what's your last name?
Oh, I'm not. I don't give out personal identifying information
Okay.
unless I absolutely need to, under threat of arrest.
Did they ask you that you cannot film?
They showed me a sign that says to be respectful about filming. That's what the sign says.
Did they tell you to leave?
No, they didn't tell me to leave.
At no point did they tell you.
He told me, actually, the officer over here behind this officer, he told me to wait here, I guess to wait for you guys.
Okay.
He was like, let's just wait here. And they blocked me from going to the actual vaccine part.
Okay.
But he told me to wait here.
Okay.
Because if he would have given me a lawful order to leave, I would have left. Okay. Just like if you give me a lawful order to leave, I'll leave.
Okay.
For sure.
Hang on tight, man. We're investigating, okay?
So am I being detained, sir?
You are being detained. We're investigating a crime, okay?
On what crime?
Okay. We'll tell you when we get there.
Okay. You're not going to tell me what
We're
crime?
investigating trespassing, and
He told me to stay right here.
okay. we're getting different stories from different people.
I know. I'm just it's on camera. He told me to stay here.
Okay. We're getting different stories from different people.
Okay.
So we're gonna figure it out.
Can I get a supervisor here then? Trespassing me from a public building would be a big mistake. It's a big mistake. It opens you up to civil litigation, sir.
Security has the right to trespass you.
Not from public, for any given, you can't, for not a valid reason, sir. I'm not breaking the law. I'm being peaceful. I haven't raised my voice. I'm not causing an alarm.
Well, you are videotaping in the area.
Sir, that you have a lot of, there's a lot of
People have a right to
photos.
privacy.
There is no, this is a public building. There is no right to privacy in public, sir. That's for sure. I know that. There is no right to privacy in public. You have the United States Constitution right here in front of you. Like, I don't understand. You took an oath to uphold it. That's all I'm doing. I'm not, if I happen to get somebody's face in a public building,